Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Twitter scan. Actually made a post about this last week? Yes. And I told you guys that this airdrop will be happening this very new month. Guys, guess what? Guys, the only thing you'll be needing is your Twitter account. Like, just connect your wallet, have you don't what you'll be needing to claim this airdrop is zero. It's not even up to, it's half a dollar. It's not up to $1, it's half a dollar. Like you have to have a little of bnb in your wallet, like, for you just to claim this airdrop. And this airdrop is what the rumor that they say this worth $1,000. I don't know. Like, if you come on Twitter now, this thing is trending. If you did not register for that, there's a link I'm going to drop under the comment section of this video now. You click on that very link now. When you click on that link, it's going to direct you to your, if you have a Mesos browser, you can use your Mesos browser. But I advise you, once you copy that link I'm going to drop under the comment section of this video now, you paste it on your MetaMask browser. Do you understand? You paste it on your MetaMask browser, then you change this network to BNB. Do you understand? So that once you log in, once you enter this site, this link I'm going to drop now under the comment section of this video, once you click on it, it's going to ask you to claim airdrop. Then all you'll be needing is to connect your wallet. Make sure that you have bnb in your wallet. Like, it's not up to a dollar, guys. Like, just fund. Like, it's only takes zero, is it 0.002, something like that, for you just to claim this airdrop. Then they will ask you for your Twitter ID. Do you understand? What you'll be needing now is to input your Twitter username. Do you understand? Just input your Twitter username, then you click claim airdrop. Then they will direct you to a phase whereby you will be adding, they will ask you to tweet. Do you understand? Once you click on that, it will direct you to Twitter. Once it directs you to Twitter, you now tweet that. You might come back, it will say verification failed, reshare. Just do it again. Then claim, you will see claim. The claim button will now be like, the claim button will now be active. Then when you click on that, it will be requesting for 0.002 bnb. Do you understand? Once you click that, you will claim your airdrop. Like, let me show you now. You see, I've got 92 pieces. It's now in my MetaMask account. I don't want to disclose my, let me just show you. Let me move to my wallet so that you see. If you look here, you see that I've gotten this. Like, when you all you'll be needing is your Twitter account. Like, please, so if subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. If this is your first time of seeing my video, guys, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online. Please give this video a thumbs up so that all others can also benefit from it. So you see my wallet. So guys, you'll be needing a contract address of this Traitsnipergame, this Twitter scan of 18. You'll be needing a trust. I will leave the contract address under the comment section of this video also. So you add this contract address to your MetaMask so that once you receive the token, it will be added to your account, to your wallet. But I guess if you claim without adding contract address, it will also reflect, I guess. So this is it here. You can see that in my in my wallet. So guys, give this video a thumbs up. Guys, just hurry up. Click on the link I'm going to drop under the comment. Any update you see on this channel, you better take it serious, guys. We never can tell the guys, you never can tell the project that we make, that will make you leave these trenches. So that will be all for now, guys. See you soon. Thanks for watching. I'll be bringing you guys updates, plenty of them. Just that I don't have enough time now to do videos, but I promise I'm going to be sending more updates. Just click on the link I'm going to drop under the comment section of this video now. Hurry up, guys. Twitter is hot. If you're on Twitter, I guess you must have been seeing this trend, guys. So that will be all for now. Thanks for watching.